Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today we are going to be playing with my new butter slime. To Bailey's my face. That we got in the mail today. Ariane done it and stuff. It doesn't have stuff in it, but let's go. I like this case. It's pink. I think it's a little bit stretchy. Makes that sound. I'm gonna try to make a bow. Epic fail. Really pink buttery slime. Ooh, there's something in it. Just have to get something because I'm hungry for lunch. I'm actually really hungry. So I'm just gonna get some food. It's been 1 minute already. First time making a video. These are so soft. I got yellow, blue, and red, which makes it like and a green. Ew. Why's it green? Well, at least I got a magical color. I'm actually really hungry, so. I hope it doesn't go in my slime. Because if it does, it'll be stuck in there forever. It smells good. Still hungry. Can't help it. Kind of purplish color. Hi, Mom.
Alright.
Sorry, guys, that was my mom.
Go.
What? Bye.
Love you, Mommy. Love you, I love you guys.
Bye.
Alexis, you be good. Do you hear me?
Uh-huh.
Give a trip.
I will.
Get hurt. Fall over.
I won't.
Love you. Take care. Can I have one? I'm hungry, man. Right, thank you. Love you. Okay, give me that. I'm not gonna hit you. God. Alright, love you, baby.
Okay, bye. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
I will.
But be good, please.
I will.
But don't be too good.
Mhm.
Does that make sense?
Mhm.
Because those girls, because you're with a whole bunch of girls, okay? Don't let them girls run you over. Do you hear me?
Mhm.
Alright, I love you.
Sorry, guys. That was my mom. Overprotective parent. So quiet. Okay, I don't know what to do now. I can go play outside with you guys. Bring you guys with me. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, and Deeds Darling, even jumping hook you on my perfect storybook. Never let my love you so, you are now my home, so you hope forever. You are twice as need my butter slime right here. You guys up. Getting 2 more fruit loops, whatever they are called. Fruit roll-ups. Okay, please, Mom. Grandma? I don't know what to do now.
Why?
I don't know. I'm making a video.
Is my Atkins bars in there?
What kind of?
It just said Atkins was on the...
Is it in this bowl?
Yeah. They're not in the green cut mold. They're going to be in a box.
What box? Oh. Mom, can you hand me that box right there? Right, Mom.
What?
Can you hand me
I
that?
forgot my charger. What did I? Where's my charger, Mom?
Well, I took it out.
Here.
I left it, thank you. I left it all together so you moved it.
Oops. Sorry.
I left it on the phone. I didn't...
Tell me when we're leaving and then I'll come in and get my stuff, okay?
Gorilla Tape is 3 times stronger for a hold that lasts. Do the toughest jobs on planet Earth.
I left it on the phone. You're not...
There's like 2 of you.
Sorry. Watching too many TV.
Okay, but
Okay, it's just gonna drop. Got her. So, ow. Ow. Can you see me, guys? Perfect. Okay, guys, that slime was really good. They actually made the slime really good. So thank you to the people who sent me the slime, and yeah, thank you. But yeah, I hope you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, forgot to say that in the beginning. So that's why I said it right now. Looks like a snake.